Welcome to the month of Ramadan. Learn with Hadi. For Muslim kids, meaning of Ramadan. Ramadan, the holy month in the Islamic religion, has a very deep meaning for Muslims around the world. In the month of Ramadan, Muslims are expected to increase their worship, do good deeds, and maintain the purity of their hearts and minds. Apart from that, Ramadan also teaches the value of empathy and social care through the teachings of sharing with others. Phases of Ramadan. Let's explore the phases that make up the month of Ramadan. Phases of Ramadan. Suhoor, a blessed time to fill oneself with energy and strength before starting fasting. Suhoor is a time to eat light food and drink before dawn. Fasting, a form of worship that is best known in Ramadan. From sunrise to sunset, Muslims refrain from eating, drinking and other negative behavior. Phases of Ramadan. Worship. Ramadan strengthens the practice of worship, including prayer, reading the Quran, and dhikr, as a way to draw closer to God and improve spiritual relationships. Sharing. An important aspect of Ramadan is the attitude of sharing with others, through giving alms to those in need, supporting orphans, and expanding feelings of empathy towards others. Taraweeh. The nights of Ramadan are enriched with Taraweeh prayers, which are performed after the Isha prayer. This is an opportunity to deepen your spiritual connection with God through congregational prayer. Ramadan practices. Let's explore some of the recommended practices during the month of Ramadan with Hadi. Prayers, reading Quran Kareem, give charity, dhikr, eating and drinking habits during Ramadan. Let's explore some of the recommended practices during the month of Ramadan with Hadi. Healthy suhoor, break the fast mindfully, balanced meals, avoid fatty and heavy foods, adequate hydration. Conclusion. Ramadan is not just a month of fasting, but also a time to increase spirituality, social awareness and togetherness. From salah to breaking the fast, from worship to sharing, Ramadan teaches us important values such as patience, generosity and spirituality. Hopefully by maintaining healthy eating and drinking habits, and celebrating Ramadan traditions with joy, we can get maximum benefits from this holy month. Let's keep the spirit of Ramadan in our hearts not only this month, but throughout the year. Thank you, and I hope we can all celebrate Ramadan with gratitude, happiness and peace.